What is the secret to getting really, really good at something? In the following video, video number 14, Daniel Coyle explains how he discovered the surprising secret to developing phenomenal skill. As Daniel explains, all skill is developed deep within our brains. When we practice something, anything, in a certain precise and intricate way, we are literally improving the wiring in our brains. Daniel calls this practice deep practice. Deep practice literally increases the velocity of skill acquisition exponentially. Daniel Coyle is the author of a book called The Talent Code, a book that chronicles his journey to remote places on the earth to discover what it is that makes people really, really good at what they do. Video number 15, the next video, is an excerpt from Daniel's book, narrated by me, that describes the deep practice exercises he discovered in Sao Paulo, Brazil, a hotbed of talent that has produced some of the world's greatest soccer players. He discovered a game called futsal, the soccer version of deep practice. Then on video 16 is an actual clip of one of the most renowned elite Brazilian soccer players, Ronaldinho, playing futsal, just to give you a visual of this strange game. As I read Daniel's book, I realized that what he describes as deep practice could really be a good way to describe what this food addiction series is all about. Teaching people the deep practice of getting really, really good at thinking correctly about eating. As you will see in video 16, futsal is a strange game that increases the quality, quantity, frequency, and intensity of the practice needed to become a great soccer player. In the same way, this series shows you how to increase the quality, quantity, frequency, and intensity of practice that's required to become great at thinking about eating correctly. The intricate little moves that are practiced in the game of futsal are the equivalent of the intricate little thoughts that are created when you follow the steps in this series. We are literally creating a deep practice for thinking correctly about food and everything related to eating. When we listen to and watch the short videos that we have created in this effort, we are literally improving the wiring in our brains and increasing the velocity of doing so exponentially. So sit back and enjoy the next few videos, 14, 15, and 16, that describe this concept of deep practice.